Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure USA Training. So I'm going to share my page here for a moment because this is something that I like to do for my customers that I find it sets me apart and it will set you apart too from somebody who's just simply selling Epicure and just selling products. But you don't really hear from that consultant again afterwards. You know, they don't really follow up. They don't ask you how you like everything, which I'm not saying is bad. I'm not saying that everybody has to do that, but why not, right? You know, make this your business. Make this an exciting business, not just, okay, who wants to order Epicure from me? I'm placing an order tomorrow. Who wants something? People don't want to buy from somebody who doesn't care. They want to buy from somebody who cares. So what I do is, so we had just, in Canada, we had just released our catalog in June. So Epicure USA, you will be getting your catalog in July, actually the end of June. I should be able to see it, and then I can show you guys the digital copy. But in July, you will have your first catalog. So when you go to the website, click on Cook up here, and this is the page that it comes to. And then over here, actually, sorry guys, this is probably really small. Let me make this bigger. Sorry, I didn't even think about doing that. So some of the videos probably are really small. I apologize. But if you click on Trending, click on Cook the Catalog. I love this even for me. So not just for my customers, but for me. Because when a new catalog comes out, you're excited, like you want to buy everything. You probably add everything to your list, and then you're like, okay, $400 later, I don't think so. Let me cut down the list a little bit, right? So this will help you cook the catalog. So I love our creamy coleslaw mix. Oh my God, it's the best one you will ever have. I promise you. Follow this recipe. Now it's probably too big, but you get the idea, right? Like you can cook the catalog. And what I love is in the recipe, you're probably thinking, okay, well, it's telling me to use this 4-in-1 mandolin, but oh shoot, I don't have that. Well, they make it so easy to purchase, and trust me, you need that. Like I have had mine. That was probably the first product that I bought from Epicure 2 years ago, and you can't tell it's 2 years old. And I use it at least 3 times a day because I make a lot of salads actually, which I never ate salads, but just Epicure makes things taste so much better that I just make salads all the time, and that's a lot healthier, right? But my husband, coleslaw, he loves. And this is so much healthier than the prepackaged store-bought stuff. So you need this. But anyways, enough about the coleslaw. If you guys go back to the previous page, look at everything here. So this is all helping you guys cook using the new catalog. And when you think about Epicure, you're probably not thinking teas, right? You're probably not thinking teas and, oh, we have tea that changes color. This tea is seriously so good. In fact, after I make the video here, I'm going to make one because it's pretty hot outside. I had just bought some new lemons yesterday, and I tend to forget that I have lemons in the fridge, so I really got to stop doing that, and I'm going to actually make this tea. But it changes color with a lemon or a lime, and it tastes so good. So you can show this to your customers and say, hey, this is a new product. It's a tea that changes color. They will look at this and go, okay, so what's this tea about? Well, shop the recipe. They can click shop, full details, and then they can go, oh my God, this sounds amazing, add that, and then you're all set. So this is probably the most amazing thing I think that they have on the website, because there's constant ideas, because everybody has to eat, everybody has to cook. But what does everybody always say? What's for dinner, or what am I making for lunch tomorrow, or well, I don't really feel like making anything, let's just eat it, let's just eat out, or let's just, you know, order in or buy lunch. But these things get expensive, right? You can be that person where you can, you know, open up your lunch and people go, oh my God, that looks amazing. What is that? Oh, I actually made this. I sell Epicure. Here's the recipe, or, you know, here's a sample. Or if you guys want something, here's a catalog. You know, you get the idea, right? You're just sharing your love of you know, Epicure and cooking and eating healthy. Let's say you want to cook Mexican, which I would actually love that. So click on Mexican, all of these ideas. And don't these look so good? Like, let's click on the first one. A taco soup. I've never made a taco soup, but they make it look so good. But look, you guys, how easy is this? You do not have to spend like 3 hours like chopping, prepping. I have been there. I have done that. You don't have to with Epicure. 5 minutes prep time. 30 minutes to make, only 480 calories. That's insane. And per person, 200 or 200. That would be expensive. $2.20. This actually does look really good. How have I not seen this before? I don't have any yogurt. I should really buy some yogurt and make this. I'm not even kidding. Oh my God, this looks so good. I'm not even kidding. I have not seen this, but this looks amazing. But again, you guys, you get the idea, right? So look through all of this. Get your customers excited. And I know you're excited too, right? If you're excited, they're going to be excited. So have fun cooking. Let me know what you guys think. Any questions, and I will see you in the next one.